Oh,
aye, how was that?
because he done it in 115 seconds.
That's...
Oh, I'm not firing this one. Right, shooter. Do you understand the course of fire?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Four targets, Mikey. Good hit. Good hit. Two targets, Mikey, in the far. Hit. Hit. Good hit. 5 targets. Left and right. Hit. Hit. Back to start, Mikey. Push it. Push it. 3 targets hitting the popper. Hit. Hit. 41 seconds. Good. 41.9. See, Mikey, see if you were just, see most of your hits, you were getting first round hits on it, but then you were like firing another 3.
Ah, it's always doubled up.
Aye, but see if you were just moving on your first round hit and like trusting yourself, it would have been, you'd have been really quick. Thanks, Mikey, you've done good. You've got the fastest time so far, Mikey.
Aye?
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Well, apart from me, but I'm not taking it from you.